guys, remember this look? So today we're gonna recreate it. Let's go! Thank you so much for clicking on my video. This is the pencil that I used. Oh, and if you want to see the full video, you can follow me on TikTok and just go crazy there. I have a lot of videos of makeup. So this is a step-by-step tutorial on how I achieved the look and the products that I used. So I'm just gonna mix it up. So no retata concealer. We're applying the concealer just like that, and then we blend it, blend. So here I'm just gonna use a powder. I found a brown powder because my brown eyeshadow is finished, so I had to come up with an alternate plan. Please judge me. Yeah, you gotta create a creasyana kind of look. You have to curve that brush.
Sneaky club. Sneaky.
Okay, so I'm gonna create a lighter kind of shade on top, just so that it flows properly, you know, it blends properly. It doesn't create smudge things. Brush over, create it to be nice and neat. Yeah. Okay, so this one I just thought of it just now. So I was like, let me just create my own look. So I'm just gonna put on a concealer to create a wing look, and then we'll see what goes from there. Okay, I'm just doing right now, but you never know. Trust the process. You never know how it's gonna come out.
Sneaky.
To my pink eyeshadow, I'm just gonna paint that concealer wing and see how it goes. I'm just actually doing everything from the top of my head. I just trust in the process. Hey, my light, what is it doing now? Like I said, I'm just going off on top of my head. So here I'm applying lash glue. I just want to create, and then some sparkles. Then I'm just creating. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just flowing with it. Just flowing with it. My mind just tells me, do this, do that, and I'm just doing it. So for the other eye now. I'm gonna put it in some more nyana roxy nyana, some more nyana crystals, you know. Yeah, so I just thought, hey, go big or go home. You already started, let's finish it. Now for some foundation. Okay, I'm done playing with my eyes. Now I'm gonna go just the foundation. So yeah, on top I use foundation to line my eyebrow instead of another concealer, because I thought it must match my foundation, so it makes sense like that. What I do on front of the eyebrow is that I create lines so that my eyebrow, when it starts, it fades, you know, it's more natural than it is drawn on, you know. Please don't mind my English, it happens. Now we blend. One thing I've noticed about myself is that I don't like using a lot of foundation or a lot of makeup on my skin or on my clients. They always say that you don't put too much. And I'm like, yeah. The idea is to be a bit more natural. Plus, it's a waste. Yeah. If you can use less, use less.
Sneaky cloud.
Okay, now I'm blending my concealer. You saw how I applied it. Yeah.
Sneaky.
And this is my banana powder. It's there to make the concealer set, you know, to stay there, and also to minimize the shape of my face, you know, to make it a bit more smaller and thinner, and to make my cheekbones pop. It helps. It really helps. So this is the technique to also make the nose a bit more pointy.
Sneaky.
Banana powder is a must. You must have banana powder, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my eyes. I use a white pencil because it creates that eye-opening look, you know, and it's so cute. I'm applying the eyeliner now, so I have to apply it thinly because I have this eyeshadow that I have on top of it, and I want it also to pop out. I don't want to cover the whole thing. I want that pink to be visible, so we're gonna make it visible. And I also like to do these pointy eyes. They have a daring look. So here's another one. Remember, I'm doing everything based on my head, and here I'm trying to do some eyebrows and lashes. Oh my gosh, and lashes. Okay, so here we're using that brown powder to finish up the slim face, contouring and finishing up this whole look. If you need a video like that shows thoroughly how to contour, please comment or DM me in my socials so that I create that video for you. Lash glue. I put my lash glue on my eyes. I don't put it on the eyelash. It works wonders like this for me. Because just take the eyebrow and just put it like that. See, it's easier like that. And my finishing touch, my signature look. I like this tribal look. I love this tribal look. It's African, it's daring, it's fun, it's creative. I just love it. I love it. Some lipstick, my dark lipstick for my big lips. I love them when they pop out, because it's like, yeah, here, see them, yeah. And this is the final look. I hope you liked this tutorial, and peace out.